So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama. Well, today I am really excited to show off our new listing at the Moorings. This property is very luxurious. You're going to see one of the nicest pools around, one of the nicest views around. And spoiler alert, this unit comes with a deeded boat slip, which is really challenging to find in Orange Beach, which is known as boater's paradise. A fisherman's dream is Orange Beach, Alabama. So you are going to want to check this one out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we've got this really gorgeous unit we're going to walk through. This is really unique property here at the Moorings. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,724 square feet. You could live here full time. In fact, a number of people do. This is a quiet complex. This isn't going to be, your rental machine. This is going to be a property that you would want to come and have as a second home. You can short-term rent once they're weekly, restricted to 7-night rentals. But when you see this one, you're going to see a lot of opportunity here because this one's got an incredibly unique feature, which is a captain's quarters attached to it. So you are definitely going to want to check this one out with us. So come take a look.
Woke up slow to the sound of the tide, sunlight dancing on the water outside, a salty breeze through the balcony door. I ain't in a rush, don't need much more. Flip some flapjacks on the gas top range, sipping cold rum in the morning, not strange. This is paradise, and buddy, I'm sure ain't a better spot than the Moorings for sure. Yeah, we're living large at the Moorings, feeling fine. Got a boat slip waiting and the fish on the line. From the bay to the Gulf, man, the views don't quit. Italian marble shining, yeah, life's legit. A captain's quarters full of friends who roam, but me, I'm anchored in my waterfront home. Plantation shutters keep the sun just right, humming old Buffett as the moon gets bright. The fires glow in the living room, a rare kind of vibe with a warm, rich tune. Ice clinks loud in the old wet barn, a high-class hideout, but it ain't too far from the dockside dives where the sailors drink, to the steam room sauna where I sweat and think. Yeah, we're living large at the Moorings, feeling fine. Got a boat slip waiting and the fish on the line. From the bay to the Gulf, man, the views don't quit. Italian marble shining, yeah, life's legit. The captain's quarters full of friends who roam, but me, I'm anchored in my waterfront home.
All right, here we come in the main entry, and it's very spacious in here. These are tile plank flooring. I love the little entryway nook there. And then off to our right will be our first bedroom. This is a super cute room. We've got plantation shutters throughout. This is just a really, really nice property, guys. And this bedroom has a bathroom here. And I'm going to show you. They took the beautiful tile planks into the shower area too. This is a nice tub. These owners have really good taste in furniture and decor. This is guest bedroom number 2. This room is a little bit bigger. Got a nice closet there to the side. And there's access to the bathroom from there and from the hallway. It's a nice pedestal sink. And again, nice plank tile surrounding the tub and the shower. Really nicely done. That is going to take us down to our captain's quarters. We'll go down there in just a second. So nice walk-in washer and dryer. Once again, there's just so much space here. Love the bar area. So you've got ice, sink, wine cooler, and then here we are, wide open, gorgeous kitchen, living room. Can't wait for you to get the full effect of the view here too. It's a really nice open kitchen, beautiful countertops. Plenty of space for dining, hanging out, watching TV. Fireplace, of course, is a really nice bonus that you don't see down here very often. Gas fireplace, making this just so cozy, comfortable, luxurious, all the things. Gas grill out there that we will go check out here in just a minute. And this is going to be the primary bedroom. Plenty of space in here. Killer view from the primary. Check that view out from your bedroom. You can see Carib, you can see the pass. Gorgeous. Nice big bathroom here, double vanity. And this is actually a really big walk-in closet. And I'm not going to go in there because the owners have personal property in there that's not going to convey with the sale. So, but it is a walk-in and it's really nice. Then you have this nice tiled shower. This is very clean, very pristine. You can tell this unit is not rented. The owners come down and use this for personal use only. Let's go check out the view. And then we're going to check out the bonus captain's quarters. Wow. This view has never gotten old to me after all these years. Absolutely love it. This is on an overcast day. Love the pool here. Beautiful pool. Very nice high-end patio furniture. This is very heavy furniture. This holds up incredibly well in our climate. And I love the color. It blends so perfectly with the complex's paint scheme. And it just looks great out here. Love it. A lot of extras here, guys. That is a walk-in pantry.
This is how you do life down here. From the deck to the dock, man, the vibe's just right. Another barefoot sunset, another sweet night.
Let's go check out the captain's quarters. So as you can see, you can lock this door here, you can lock that door there, and make this a completely private guest quarters here. And this is 781 square feet over here. So plenty of space. You've got the plantation shutters. You've got another giant TV back here. Incredibly comfortable space back here. So you could utilize this for so many different purposes. If you had a captain, a true captain's quarters, mother-in-law suite, guest quarters. Perhaps you want to rent the main space out during the prime season, but always have a spot for you to come, whether it's booked or not. Could work for that purpose too. So you got double closets there, and yet still another huge updated bathroom that is tiled. Shower there, floor to ceiling. Cabinet, toilet, vanity, AC unit for this wing over here. So yeah, this is incredibly rare to find, guys. I cannot tell you enough how this is such a cool feature and so unique to have. In all my years down here, this is the only unit I have seen like this.
But me, I'm anchored in my waterfront home. Tree pool, yeah, I might dive in, or take the boat out, let the good times begin. Got a cooler full of red stripe, a Yeti on ice. Man, I tell you, this life's pretty nice. No worries about fix-ups, the work's been done. Every inch remodeled, now it's time for fun. Humidity's handled, the AC's prime. Ain't gotta lift a finger, just enjoy the time. Neighbors wave as they cruise on by. Another sunset paints the sky. From the Sportman Marina to the fishing pier, this is how you do life down here. We're living large at the Moorings, feeling free. Got the whole bay rocking like a melody. From the deck to the dock, man, the vibe's just right. Another barefoot sunset, another sweet night. A captain's quarters full of friends who roam. But me, I'm anchored in my waterfront home. Pour me another, let's fire back through. Yeah, I think I'll stay a while. Woke up slow to the sound of the tide. Sunlight dancing on the water outside. A salty breeze through the balcony door. I ain't in a rush, don't need much more. Flip some flapjacks on the gas top range. Sipping cold rum in the morning, not strange. This is paradise.
Guys, that is going to just about do it of today's walkthrough through this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom unit at the Moorings. Incredibly unique. Cannot tell you how unique that captain's quarters is and how valuable the boat slip is. Boat slip number 2 conveys with this unit. Guys, that boat slip should be able to accommodate up to a 50-foot boat. Absolutely makes this unit one of a kind, and I've been doing this for 21 years, and this is one of the most awesome, unique properties. Literally right here, right there is Tiki Bar, so you can pretty much walk to that. And as you can see, we've got awesome views of the pass, Carib right there. Wonderful unit, and I waited till the end to give you the list price because you're probably thinking you're about to get an incredible sticker shock. Well, what if I was to tell you that this property is listed at $1,599,000? That may sound like a lot to some people, but if you've been to Orange Beach and spent any time here and you are a boater, or you are looking for that unique property that gives you the quiet complex, the luxury feel, the boat slip, all while being right in Orange Beach and close to everything, this property checks all those boxes, and I promise you, you don't want to let this one get away. So give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you. We'd love to show you this property. We're really excited about this one, and hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that hit the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise